Hey there, I just wanted to walk you through the awesome formative resource, which is Jamboards. I just want to give a quick overview of some different use cases for Jamboard that I personally really like. So you can get to Jamboard anywhere where you see the Google Apps waffle, whether it's through your Chrome homepage or your email page or your Drive page. Anywhere you see that, you can click it open. And you'll have to scroll down to get to Jamboard. But you'll find a little D, and that will lead you to your Jamboard. You can see that I have a bunch going on right now, and there's a couple uses that I can use for these. You can see I also have some that are shared with me based on what my students are sharing with me. So here is one that I use specifically for a whiteboarding type function. And what I did was I uploaded an image as a background. So I just uploaded the brain image. And from there I can use the little pointer to talk about the different regions. And I can also use the little text feature to potentially, add in some emotive things from this particular lecture. So that's really great for screen sharing, for those synchronous Zoom sessions, or for even creating a video, a short video, just with really simple whiteboarding tools. So let's go back. I'll click my home page again to look at another use case. So here I actually have a hexagonal thinking exercise. I walk students through this in a live course, and what I did was I created these individual shapes. I actually used Canva for that, and I wanted students to be able to identify where things connected with each other. So I just started giving them some hints. I gave them a little bit of a challenge of how interconnected can you get. I also allowed them to duplicate these if they needed to as well. So let's just take another step back.
I'm glad you're feeling better.
And we'll get into one last thing that I think is really super great for a potential student activity. This is a scavenger hunt activity that I have. Now this was asynchronous activity I had students do, and so I had them do a scavenger hunt, and I have these different elements, these different prompts, and students have these areas. Now I also created this background in Canva from a graphic organizer, and I just uploaded it as the background again, because that way students can't grab this image. They have to be able to edit it, but I don't want them to edit the background and all the instructional stuff. What I wanted them to do was use either the text or the pen or a post-it to follow through and complete each one of these activities. So this has some live student data, so I'm not going to click through it, but I think you get the idea. If you want to create any of these Jamboards and try it out with CETL staff before you deploy it with students just to see how it's going to work, go ahead and give us a call. We love to beta test these activities for you. I hope you have fun with Jamboard. If you have any questions, go ahead and give CETL a call, or we can set up an appointment, and I'll talk to you soon.